What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Saint, back with another video, vlog, Black Studios, production, behind the scenes, all that jazz. And last week, I left y'all with the bucket hats. We got them bleached. They're downstairs. I'm letting them dry for a little bit before I pull them up. And right now, what I'm gonna work on, as you saw with the little highlights, is that we did the black for all the bags. The black accents for the bags. So we're gonna put that aside. I'm gonna keep working on that as we're doing other things, but I'm gonna keep it aside. So what we're gonna work on right now is the bucket hat. Like I said, we gotta do the face mask. So this is the bucket hat, the example. I gotta do the face masks now. So we have to make 2 of them. And I already have them all cut out, laid out. What we're gonna do is we're going to sew them together. So you see the pieces right here. I gotta sew these all together. 2 fabrics together sewn up. And then I gotta add the teeth, and then it'll be done with another added strap as well. So I'm gonna do that for you guys. We'll get to attaching it to the bucket hat after. So let's do that right now. Okay, so here we go. I got both face masks pretty much laid out, finished, and completed. All I have to do now is I have to add the teeth, which is going to go on the perimeter here. I'm going to sew the teeth in there, and then I'm going to add the logos, and then it should be straight. And now I got to just put the buttons on there after. I'm going to do that right now, and let's see how long that takes. Hopefully it shouldn't take that long. I also got to hand sew the 2 parts together because my sewing machine, it can't handle all that. I broke a lot of needles trying. I ain't doing that again. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add the teeth, and then I'm gonna just put it together and stuff. Call it a day. So the teeth are done. I got boom boom right here for both these, and then boom boom right here for these. So what I gotta do is I need to add this strap. 1 second. Woo! Alright, so what I forgot is that I have to make this strap that goes on the back of both parts of the face masks. So I'm gonna cut that out right now, and then we're gonna sew those straps onto the face mask like this, and then we're gonna add the buttons after, and then we're gonna sew the logo. So let me go do that real quick, and I'll get back to you guys. So we got the straps done. What I gotta do now is I'm gonna sew them together and then add them to the face mask, and then we're gonna sew the logo, and then after that we're gonna focus on putting the face mask together and adding it to the bucket hat. If you guys want to see what the bucket hats look like, I got you. So after bleaching, the bucket hats came out looking like this. Pretty satisfied with it. So once we're done, the face masks are gonna go on the bucket hat, and then this will be a done project. What the mask looks like when it's on. Well, the bucket hat when it looks like when it's on. I got them finally completed. These look mad clean. They look way better than my sample. As you see, this one's the sample one. It's a little short, but I'm not gonna not wear it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know what I'm saying? We got both of the bucket hats finally completed. I'm very happy for these. And on to the next stuff. If we even, I don't know how long this video has been, so I don't know. I'm gonna work on some other stuff at the same time, and then we'll just cut it after that. I don't know how long this video is, so. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna do the white portions of the bag. Now that we finished all the bucket hats, I'm gonna kind of just start working on this. I ordered some more denim for the inside of the bag. That should be coming in next week, so by next week we'll actually start putting the whole bag together. In the meantime, might as well get some of the little things out the way. So I'm gonna do the stuffing and attaching the denim to the white portion of the Kuma face. And once I'm done doing that, I will start to assemble the mouth and everything, as you see here. And then after I'm done with that, there's literally nothing else I can do until I get some more denim. We'll start some other projects while that's happening. So yeah.
Sometimes you end up getting where you want to go and then find out when you get there that you don't want to be where you're at. And then you feel like this is all just a waste of time. But just remember, if you never got there, then you'd always be wanting to get there, and then you don't know you don't want to be there until you get there. So sometimes you just got to go where you don't want to go, just to know that that's not where you want to be. Okay. Have a super freaking awesome rest of your day and stuff. Okay, bye.
So as you guys have seen, I finished the mouths. I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning up, and then I'm also gonna open the seams and stuff with more of the pillow stuffing. Some parts of it are a little, you know, a little flat, so it needs a little bit more stuffing. But besides that, I like how they came out. I might go back over pink trim to stitch a little bit on some of these. But besides it, you know, they came out pretty good. Pretty happy about that. And I think that's all I'm gonna do for this week. So I hope you guys like the video. You know, make sure you guys share, subscribe. And again, like, I hope you guys get inspired by the work that I do. And even if you're not trying to be be a designer, you know, just being consistent at the things that you do to show that, you know, you're dedicated to your work is always an important thing. So yeah, if you guys want to support, I forgot to tell you guys, we have a donation tab on the website. So if you want to go over there, put some money into the PayPal, every dollar counts, every dollar matters. All the money that I make off of the brand, it goes right back into the brand to make more stuff for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. Y'all take care. It's your boy Saint, Black Studios behind the scenes. And yeah,